Hi everyone, welcome back to Discovering Natural. Before I start this video, I just want to say sorry about my voice. I was sick last week, but I am getting a little bit better, which is good. Okay, so today is the day. We are finally loosening these braids. So I've had these braids for 6 weeks now. I was supposed to have it for only 3 weeks, but see, I had all this stuff in school. I had orchestra, I had to get ready for even my test and stuff. It was just so busy, so I never really had the time just to loosen these braids. But finally, when everything is done and the semester is ending soon, I can loosen these braids. And before we start, make sure you subscribe. The subscribe button is down below, and just subscribe to this channel. So everything that you need is in your Anywhere care bag. And let's just check out what's in here. We have a lot of conditioner because we're going to need a lot of this. Next, we have the rat tail comb that's going to help me in this process. And we just have scissors just in case. One reason I'm packing up my hair is so that I don't miss any of the braids. I don't want to have one braid that's left while the rest of my hair is done. What you want to do is start by getting one braid that you're about to get out. And next I take my rat tail comb, and my mom actually made a knot at the end of my hair. So I just take my rat tail comb and look for that knot. Next, you just want to lightly pull it out. If you're having a hard time getting that knot out, that's when the scissors come in. You have to cut where you think your hair isn't there. Just like that. Now you can start unraveling. So I'm going to take my little handy rat tail comb and just do it one by one all the way to the end so that it doesn't tangle up. Once you get to the very end, if you have a hard time doing it, just take some conditioner and apply some to the very end so that it's easy just to take out. Ooh. So now that I'm done with that section, I'm just gonna pick conditioner all over it. My hair in 6 weeks. I miss you. Okay, so now that I've done 3, I can just twist them up together so that they're not all over the place. So this is my twist, and from those 3 sections, all I lost was this. So I'm gonna finish all of my braids, and I'm just gonna go watch some Netflix right now. So I've just finished unraveling my hair, and on the next video you're gonna see what I do after this. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share it to the world. Thanks again so much for watching, and I still got my edges. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye! Mwah.